It's just simple, but I want to learn some basics of ASP.NET Framework. When I enter the burger name and its price, 965, and when I click on the add burger button, you can see burger added successfully in the databases. Okay, I want to check this value in the databases. Click on the databases and Burger Hut database, and in the table burgers, right click and select top 1000 rows. You can see here crispy chick delight burger is added here and its price is 965. How to make this simple web application using ChatGPT in ASP.NET framework? Welcome back to Logiks Academy. Are you ready to create something amazing? In today's video, we are going to learn AI skills in web development with ChatGPT to build a fully functional web application using ASP.NET Framework and Visual Studio in the databases. We are starting with a simple but exciting project, Burger Hut, a web app where you learn the all basics of creating dynamic responsive website using ASP.NET Framework step by step. Remember, dear friends, this is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we will learn to develop e-commerce platforms and even enterprise level applications. So grab your cup of tea, open up Visual Studio, and let's bring your ideas to life together without your coding and any other skills. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get coding. You need to install two tools before moving next: Microsoft Visual Studio and SQL Server Management Studio. How to download and install these tools, link in the description for the videos. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome and ChatGPT. I type this simple prompt or description for my application. You can check it and you can type your in your own way. Type this description in your ChatGPT and run it, and ChatGPT will give you a full application detail. These are the simple steps which we need to follow these. Step 1 is to follow these steps for creating a new project in ASP.NET. So let's start. Open Visual Studio here. Visual Studio. I installed Visual Studio 2022. How to download it? I give a link how to download Visual Studio 2022, link in the description. Skip this for now. You can set your own way theme. I click on the light theme, start visual, and click on start Visual Studio. Create a new project. Click on C#, select here Windows, and from here all projects types. And now you need to search ASP.NET Framework from here. ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework. Click on this and click on Next button. You can name your project here. Select your project location from here. Click on Create. Create an empty project and click on Web Forms. Then click on Create. Cancel these files. We opened the Visual Studio, created our new project in ASP.NET Web Application. Project name is Burger Hut, and we select the empty template. So the next step is to create ASPX pages. Remember, you need to name your files you get from your ChatGPT sections. Don't write any other name in the files. You can get mistakes or error in your projects. So I copy this name from here, default.aspx. I click on my project add and created web form. Default.aspx and click on OK. ASPX file is created with the .cs file. You can check here. This is the ASPX and this is the ASPX.cs file. Now copy the ASPX code from here. I copy this code from here. Delete all your code from here and paste the code from ChatGPT and save it by pressing Ctrl+S. Now ASPX.cs, delete this code from here and copy this code default.aspx.cs from here. I copy this code from here and paste in aspx.cs file. Then I save it by pressing Ctrl+S. Now I run this project through Google Chrome. Click on yes. If you face this error, simply click on three dots, move to settings, privacy and security, move downward, click security, and check always use secure connections. We move back to our projects and I execute again from here. It is generating an error from here. Move again to Visual Studio and I make a change here. You don't need to make any changes from here, and run this project again, and we done our first step. Next, you need to create styles.css folder. I copy this code from here, move to Visual Studio and create on my project to add CSS file from here. Click on style sheet and name the same name where it is from in your ChatGPT. Styles.css, small letter with S. Okay, cancel it or delete it from here and paste the copied code from ChatGPT. Save this file by pressing Ctrl+S. Now copy these script links from here. I copied these links from here. I need to paste these links in default.aspx in the head section. I paste these links here, and now you can check our design. It's looking good. Now you can check here its responsiveness. It's working good. It's just the basics. You need to follow these steps and to learn the basics of ASP.NET framework. Now we again move to our ChatGPT section. In the next step, we need to open Visual Studio and need to execute this query in the databases. Open SQL Server Management Studio. Run the SQL Server Management Studio. Connect SQL Server from here. Select your server name from here. Connect it. We need to create a new project. We need to create a new databases from here. Click on databases. We need to create a new databases. Databases name is Burger Hut database. I copied it from here. Right click from here, new databases, and paste the copied name here. Change this file's location other than C drive. Both these files need to change the location. Right click and create a new query. Copy this code from here and paste it here. Execute it. Commands completed successfully and save it in the folder you created for your project and save it. No, we need to create a connection here for our SQL server. You need to open web config file from here. Click on yes. You need to paste the connection strings here for the connection of databases to Visual Studio. No, you need to change your server name here. Go to Visual Studio and databases in the properties section. In general, copy this name from here of your server. Copy this and paste in your server name in the place of server name and save this file by pressing Ctrl+S. Now we run again this project. Enter the burger name XYZ. Enter the price. I entered 800. Click on add burger. Now move to databases. Cancel it. Go to burgers table. And now you can check XYZ burger is added with its price. No. Enter a new price. Crispy delight and the price is 1000. You can check the burger name with the price 1000 is added here. Now we need to add our JQuery or JavaScript file in ASPX, so we get a message after adding the burger and its price. You write to type script after the head and script. You need to type these tags and paste the copied code here and save it and run it again. Now enter a burger name, its price. I enter 2000. Now you can see burger added successfully. It's done. Cancel it from here. Go to burgers table, select top 100 rows, and you can see crispy chick delight burger is added here and with its price. It's done. It's pretty simple, but I try to show basic steps of the project, how to add the files, how to create the files, and these are the basic steps you need to learn for ASP.NET framework. In the upcoming videos you will see how to create e-commerce and enterprise application from basics to advanced level. So stay with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so you don't skip any notification from us. If you have any question or get any query while executing this code or this project, feel free to ask from me in the comment section. I will try to respond your comment within few hours. Hope so you learn a best from my video. Stay with us in the coming videos. It's exciting journey. In some projects you will see your growth, your learning growth, how you need to learn AI skills for the development in the upcoming years and in the upcoming times. Thanks for watching my video and have a good time. Thanks.